Showing you how to configure S3 for static website hosting. So first step, create a bucket. It doesn't matter which region, for the example. Check block all public access and check that you acknowledge. Okay, now that you have created the bucket, go to properties, scroll down until you see static website hosting property, enable. Index document should be index.html and error document leave as error.html. Save changes. Your static website is currently something like this, so name of your bucket and your region and Amazon AWS.com. One more thing that we need to add is permissions. We want to enable public reading from that bucket, and to do that you want to edit the bucket policy, paste this part with resource being your bucket name. Now when you refresh the domain, you no longer see 403 but 404, and that's okay because the bucket is empty. I'll just, for example, add hello world index.html. Okay. And you can currently see that it's rendering, it's showing to the public.